all we do is drive around aimlessly trying to forget.
Hi everyone, and thank you for clicking this video. And I know what you're thinking.
Girl, you've been gone for like 2-3 months. Where you been? And you come back with this video?
Yes, I have not made a video in a very long time, and listen, I'm sorry, I just been very lazy. But anyway, I am back now, and today I'm going to be showing you how I permed my lashes. And I know you're thinking something else too.
Girl, didn't you go to Nepal? Where's your Nepal vlogs, girl?
For the vlog, listen. Thank you for listening. Anyway, back to the point of this video. Today I'm going to be perming my lashes. Yeah, I have very short Asian straight lashes, and I really wanted it to be curled, and I didn't want to have to do it every single day. So my solution is perm it. Why not? Right? I tried to look up online and see like what places do eyelash perming and stuff, and it's bloody expensive, man. So I thought, let me just YouTube it. There's videos for everything. There's videos to fix your tire, to videos for cutting the hair. I found a good bunch of videos where they were perming their own lashes, and they were all using Misheng box of lash perm. I got it on eBay. It was really cheap. Like, I'll have a link down below if you're curious of everything that I used today. And yeah, and on the inside this is what it looks like. It comes with like its own rod that you stick your lashes on, but all the people that are using it, they said this is not good, so you have to buy them separately. The ones that I bought look like this. It's out the packet, but the inside looks like this, and you literally just like stick it on your eyelid with some lash glue, and then you'll see the whole process in a minute, okay? But yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside, and these are all the chemicals that you use to perm your lashes. You use this one first, and then wipe it off after like how long you want to leave it on for, and then this. And if you're curious to know how I did it, then keep on watching this video. Right, okay, so I'm gonna start by doing one eye first. I'm gonna do my right eye, and I have one of these eyelash corset. That's not even it. It comes with medium, small and large. For my lashes, I think I'm gonna go with, I think small is the one for me, because my lashes are very small and tiny. I believe what I have to do, because I watched like 5 or 10 YouTube videos about this, I have to glue this onto my lid and then put some glue onto this ridges, and then brush my lashes on there so it sticks, and then apply the chemicals. There we go. I think I got most of it, if not all of it. Okay, now that I look like I came straight out of a scary movie. Woo! Fucking man, that's hideous. I think the first step is to use the pink one. Get a generous amount. And then I'm gonna apply it to the lashes. And as you can see, I'm not going right at the root. And I'm not putting it on the very tip either. Oh no, one strand came off. Oh, there's nothing I can do now. My eyes starting to water because I haven't blinked in like 10 minutes. Or the pink lotion is doing its work. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes and I'll get back to you. Can you even take me seriously? But anyway, I'll get back to you in about 10 minutes. I'm back, and it's been about, let me have a look, about 10 to 13 minutes. And now it's time to just wipe off the pink solution. I'm just gonna use a Q-tip and get as much as I can off. Before it does anything else, I'm gonna go in with the white one. I'm gonna use a Q-tip for this one too, and just dip it in, and then go in the same way that I did with the pink one. As you can see, I'm being quite generous with this because I don't want to do it again. And I'm gonna wait about 10-15 minutes for this one as well. And we'll be back. So it's been exactly 10 minutes, and I'm just gonna get a clean Q-tip and wipe off the white solution now. Like before, just rotate while you're going up. The next step, which is some kind of nourishing treatment. Gonna dip a Q-tip in this one and apply it to my lashes. I don't think you have to put this on for as long as the other two, because that's not actually gonna help it like perm. I think just to like condition it. So I've had the oil lotion thingamabob that conditions your eyelashes on for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I think it's time to move on. It's time to take it off. So I'm gonna be using the last step, which is a clear one, and I think this just removes all the chemical and all the lash glue and all that. So same process, get a Q-tip, dip it in and apply it to your lashes, but this time apply it until all the glue and all the chemical comes off. I'm not using like excessive force, just be as gentle as you can, but obviously still trying to get it off. Nearly there. There's a few more strands left. Now I'm gonna take this jelly band off. Okay, I'm gonna go with a wet wipe and just get all this glue off. Okay, so it is definitely curled, but it's not as dramatic as I was hoping. But that might be the case because my lashes are really short and nothing much can be done of that. It's not bad, but it's not great either. Maybe I have to do it again. Nah, I'm not gonna risk it, man. But yeah, that's basically the step, and I'm gonna have to repeat that on my other eye because I'm not walking around with just... Actually, you can't really tell the difference, but I'm gonna do the other eye, hoping it will turn out better than this one. Maybe next time I can do a little bit better. Yeah. I'll be back with my left eye done. I am back with my left eye done as well, and I've also put on mascara on both lashes because if I didn't, then you wouldn't even be able to tell the difference. But anyway, this one isn't as curly as this one, but this one is a bit more random curls than this one, whereas this one is just like that. Well, not like this, but that. I'm not like disappointed, but I'm not impressed either. Very mediocre. I think it turned out okay, to be honest. This is what it looks like now. Let me turn to the side. And that's it. Thank you for watching this whole video. If you found it interesting, then give it a like down below and leave me your comment of what you thought, and if you want to try it out. If you've already tried it out, what happened to yours, let me know. And other than that, I don't have much else to say other than keep an eye out for my other videos coming up. Let's not unnecessarily ramble on, so I'm gonna leave you with that, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.